In this video, we are going to solve the multiplication of general numbers using the Vedic math technique, and the result we will get within 5 to 10 seconds. So multiplication of general numbers, we will use simple addition and multiplication of only single digit numbers. So hello everyone, I am Naina. Welcome back to my channel Akshar. Till now I have made many videos related to Vedic maths, so please see those videos related to Vedic maths, in which specially I have made videos related to multiplication. So let's start our today's topic in this video, which is general method of multiplication, right? Till now we have done the multiplication methods which have some conditions, like they were nearer to some base or nearer to some sub base, or only the digits were like 9, or only the multiplication by 11. So please see my those videos if you want to know about any the previous method. Okay, so in this video we are going to do the general multiplication. We are going to learn about the general multiplication rule, means they do not have any condition, any two general numbers are given to you. So let us suppose the very first question is 21 into 23. So in this video we will take two digit numbers, and in the next video I will tell you how to do general multiplication for the three digit numbers. So for that, what you will do, you will write down your number. This method is also known as vertical cross method. Okay, because in this method we use vertical multiplication as well as the cross digit multiplication, right? So the very first we will do the vertical. This is known as vertical. Okay, so that means your last digit will be the vertical multiplication of last two digits, right? Now come to the cross multiplication. This will be the your middle number of your answer. So do this multiplication, 2 into 3 plus 2 into 1, which you will get 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8, right? So again do the multiplication of vertical to find your first digit of the answer. So when you will get, write down your answer like this. So 2 into 2 will be 4. So this is your first digit, this is your second digit, and this is your third digit of the answer. So how you will write down your answer? 4, 8 and 3, right? So how fast it is, you can solve it in your exam within few seconds, right? So let's take another example in which there is some carry when we are doing this multiplication, right? Right now we were getting only single digit, but this can be also possible then when we are multiplying two numbers, then some carry is there. Okay, so write down your number again like this and do the vertical. Step 1 is you have to do your vertical multiplication. That means 2 into 6, you will get what? You will get 12. Next you will do your cross multiplication. That means 4, 2, 2 and 6. So what you will get? You will get 4 into 6 plus 2 into 2. That means 4 into 6 is 24. 2 into 2 is 4, which will give you 28, right? Again do your vertical multiplication. Vertical multiplication will give you what? 4, 2, 2 and 6. This time we have to do vertical multiplication of our starting digits. That means 4 into 2 is equal to 8, right? So again this is your first part of answer, this is second part, and this is your third part. So write down your answer: 8, 28 and 12. I have told you earlier also, whenever you get this kind of numbers, two digits in place of one, then what we do? We keep our last digit as it is and take this digit here and do the addition. That means 28 plus 29 will become 28 plus 1 will become 29, and it will be 8. Now again what you will do? 2 here, 9 will be here, and 2 will get added here. So that means 8 plus 2 will become 10. So this will be your answer: 109 and 2. Okay, let's take another example with the carry. 53 into 51. So very first step is what? Very first step is you have to take to the vertical multiplication. 53 into 1 is equal to 3. Then you will do your cross multiplication, that means 53, 51. When you will do cross multiplication, what you will get? 5 into 1 plus 5 into 3. That means 5 plus 15, which will give you 20. Then again, when you will do your vertical multiplication, then you will get as 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Right? So 25 is your first part of the answer, 20 is second part of answer, and 3 is your last part of the answer. So again you are getting carry. So what you will do? You will keep 0 here and do the addition of 2 here. That means 25 plus 2 will be equal to 27. So this is going to be your answer. Okay. So let's meet in the next video, in which we will understand that if there are 3-digit numbers, then how we are going to multiply these values, and we will understand those questions also in 3-digit numbers if carry is there. If you find my video useful, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So if you have any doubt related to any topic of Vedic Maths, so please add your comments in the comment box so that I can make more videos related to that. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to understand about the multiplication of 3-digit numbers. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.